In this video, I will show you how to create a second account in Brawl Stars. Open Brawl Stars on your device. Tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Go to settings and ensure your current account is linked to Supercell ID. If not linked, follow the prompts to connect it before proceeding. Tap the three lines in the top right corner again. Select Supercell ID from the menu. In the Supercell ID menu, tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Logout. Confirm that you want to log out. After logging out, tap Play without Supercell ID. Complete the tutorial as prompted. Once finished, you'll reach the new home screen. Tap the three lines at the top right corner again. Go to Settings and select Supercell ID. Tap Register as a new Supercell ID. Enter your email address and create a new password. Follow the prompts and verify your email if required. To switch accounts, tap the three lines in the top right corner. Select Supercell ID and tap the gear icon. Scroll down and tap Switch Account. Choose the account you want to use and the game will switch seamlessly. And that's it. Now you can easily switch between multiple Brawl Stars accounts. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.